Threads, which is an alternative app to Twitter, is available by invitation only. But don't worry, I will show you how to get it. Open Instagram app, tap on search, select the search bar and type Threads. Then you should get an emoji which says admit 1. Tap on it, then you would get this 3D pass. Then all you got to do is to tap on get Threads. This will bring you to the App Store. So simply tap on get, confirm with the Face ID to download the app. Once the download is completed, tap on open. It can automatically log you in using your Instagram account. If you want to switch your account, tap on here. Otherwise, simply log in with the current Instagram account. You can manually enter your details, or you could simply tap on import from Instagram. This should automatically fill up your details, including your profile photo. Then tap on next. Here you can choose whether you want your profile to be public or private. I select public. Then tap on next. The people that you follow on Instagram would appear in here. You can follow them individually, or you can tap on follow all to follow them all together. And if you don't want to follow, simply tap on next. A quick explanation how Threads works. Tap on join Threads to start threading. Your iPhone might ask you for permission to notify you. You can tap on allow. These are the first few threads by other people. If you tap on the search, you could search for the people to follow. To type your first thread, tap on here, write anything you want, and then tap on post. Tap on view. If you tap on the heart, you can like the thread. If you tap on here, you can reply to the thread. If you tap on here, you could repost the thread. Once again, if you tap on here, you could also quote the thread. And finally, if you tap on here, you could share your thread to your story on Instagram or as a feed or even on Twitter. Tap on your profile's icon to see all your threads and replies. Tap on here. These are some of other options you get. And whenever you want to switch to Instagram, you can simply tap on here. To switch back to Threads, tap on here. If you tap on the heart, you could see some activities such as people who asked to follow you. And once again, you can tap on the home to see the most recent threads. And from now on, you can easily open the Threads app from your home screen.